Using Windows 7, you will click the Start button in your lower left corner. A menu will appear, and in this menu you're looking for the words Control Panel. You will click on this. Next, you should see something like this. If you've chosen Category, you'll see something like this. Regardless, if you click Uninstall a Program, or if you're in, like I am, Small Icons view, you're going to go to Programs and Features. Once you do this, a list of all applications that you have installed will appear. So you can see on my computer, I only have Office 365 Business installed. However, on your computer, you might see any of the following. You might see Microsoft Office Standard 2007, some version of Microsoft Office 2010, some version of Microsoft Office 2013. You might also see a separate 2013 just Outlook, or you might see the 2016 suite installed in 3 different languages. You'll want to uninstall all of these. Just click on them and click Uninstall. You want those removed so they don't conflict with what you need to have, which is Office 365. Another thing you want to watch out for is if before you installed 365 you already had a personal OneDrive account. It's up to you. I would remove this just so they don't conflict. However, if you didn't check before you installed 365 and there's only one OneDrive installed, you should be fine. Otherwise, look for the dark blue clouds OneDrive and you can uninstall this. What you want to see if you're confused about the OneDrive installations, you want to see here we've got OneDrive and then we've got 365. You want to look at the install dates. As you can see, these were installed on the same date. So this Microsoft OneDrive is with my 365 account. If you have any questions, please email IT support with exactly what you did not understand in this video. Thank you guys.